Hi friends, welcome in another episode of English Grammar Serial which is organized by KD Talk or KD Talks. This is episode number 10 of this episode, and in today's episode we have to learn about the anagrams or the homophones. Now what is meant by anagrams? So when we talk about the anagrams, anagram is one type of a word play. In this you have to give the one word. As you can see, TA is one type of word and we have to make this word meaningfully. So I make this word that is TAT. Now this word is be meaningfully. Now this is about the anagram. In the examination you have give some word and you have to make it meaningfully, as well as UNG. You have to make this word meaningfully. How do you make that? You shall know that G N U. We take G N and U. We doesn't get any meaning. Now take this U on the second place. We get the meaning that is gone. So you have to take one by one word and see the sequence that the word will be meaningfully, make the meaningfully or not. Okay, so you have to see this in this anagrams. Okay, so you know about the anagrams. What is meant by anagrams? If someone asks you what can you tell, that anagram is one type of word play. In this word play you have to given the word, you have to rearrange it meaningfully. Like I am rearrange this word TAT, I can rearrange it TAT. So it can rearranging words, it is called as anagrams. Now next is homophones. What is meant by homophones? Homophones means the word which have same pronunciation. The word which have same pronunciation. Same pronunciation. Same pronunciation. The word which have the same pronunciation is called as homophones. Example I can give you: WAIST, waste. Waste is one type of a word. We have to find his homophones. So as we all know that WAST means also be the waste. So waste homophones is waste. You can see that they have the same meaning. They have the same pronunciation. Sorry, meaning is different but same pronunciation they have. Next example is new and new are homophones. New and new are homophones. They have the different meaning but their pronunciation will be same. So this is about the anagrams and homophones we can learn in episode number 10 of English Grammar Serial. What is meant by anagrams? Anagram is a word play. In this word play you have to give the give the one words, and this word is meaningfully or not be meaningfully. You have to make the word it meaningfully. And what is meant by homophones? The words that have the same pronunciation. Example, waste or waste. These are the two words. They have the different meaning but same pronunciation. New and new, they have the same pronunciation but different meaning they have. So this is about the anagrams and homophones that we have to learn in episode number 10. There was a problem on the first time when I am start this episode. So sorry for that. Thank you and goodbye.